So I've written a book. It's called The Button Seller. It is a fantasy novel, and my goal now is to get that book published. So this is me coming back on camera, logging my journey, and trying to figure out how the hell I get to the next step. The first thing I know I need to do is I need to browse some literary agents, because I need to find someone who's going to help me take this book to the market. Because the last thing I want to do is self-publish. I don't know what I'm doing, and it costs money, which, I'm gonna be frank, I don't have any money right now. So that isn't gonna happen. And over the next couple of days, I will share some of what the book is about, how I got it to where it was, all of the drafts, all of the edits, all of the framework, all of that, because it took a long time, but finally, after multiple years of attempting to write a book but never really sticking it out, I have something concrete that I can already send off to people and see how it goes.